If you want to save your slides and reuse across projects, let's save them as a slide template. To do that, press Ctrl S, or click ActivePresenter, select Save, or Save As. In the Start page, your slide template will appear in the Custom section. Now, click its thumbnail, and select one option. Or just double-click it, to create new projects from this slide template. Besides, ActivePresenter also allows adding slides from slide templates. Click New Slide in the Home tab, or Insert tab, then select Slide from Template. In the pop-up dialog, pick one slide template from the list. Next, select one or all slides to insert into your project. Alternatively, press Ctrl and click on any slide that you want. Finally, click Insert Slide to complete. That's it.